everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and I just want to show you today how to make my favorite cleaner. This cleaner is very natural and it's effective. If you have kids, if you have pets, this is a very effective cleaner that is super natural and it will give you good results. Okay, so first you want to have a spray bottle. This is my spray bottle. This is what it looks like, and I will be adding to this bottle half cup of water, and 2 cups of vinegar. This is my vinegar here, and I'll be adding 2 cups to that half cup of water. And this is an all-purpose cleaner. You can use it to clean your microwave, your countertop, and it's very effective. Okay, and here I'm pouring 2 cups of vinegar. I already poured my water in. And now I'm adding some dish soap. And you can use whatever dish soap you want to use. Oops, I spilled. Okay, we're gonna add 4 spoons of dish soap, okay? The good thing about this cleaner is that you might already have these things at home, so this is cost nothing. And here you have it, guys. This is my cleaner. If you spill, you just want to wipe your bottle down and it's all set. And this, if you're looking for something to disinfect, this thing will disinfect. And please be sure to use gloves with it when you're cleaning. You want to shake it up. And this is my cleaner, guys. Very effective cleaner, and you will save lots of money using this cleaner. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and I will bring you more of these videos. Bye.